Hello, Minecraft players. If you're looking how to make a Minecraft server, then you're at the right place. Well, to make your Minecraft server, what you want to first do is make a new folder on your desktop, call it Minecraft server, and just open it up. Go into your internet browser and type in Minecraft CraftBukkit CraftBukkit, and then there it is. No, CraftBukkit 1.2.5, sorry. And it should bring up this one, which is dl.bukkit.org/download/CraftBukkit. Go into that and download this recommended build and keep. While that's downloading, I'll put all of these links in the description. Go on to Minecraft server starter. No, Minecraft CraftBukkit server starter, and then go on to this one, setting up a server, Bukkit. You want to. It brings up all of these different ones, and you just want to copy whichever one you need. Mine's completely different to one of these because I have made my computer, so it's I've made this computer that I'm using, so it's completely different to any of these. But I'm just going to show you an example. So you copy it, you go into here, your new text document, and call it start, and then do Control V, and this is whatever one you need, and go File, Save As, Start.bat. Make sure you have it as Start.bat, and then save it, close it, and it comes up with this other file, and then you can just delete it. And then you take your CraftBukkit here, and you put it in here with this. I would rename this just to CraftBukkit because it'd be a lot easier. And you just hit start. Oh wait, this one does work for me. So yeah, you just hit start and it'll bring up all of these different files. Usually I have to use a different one, but anyway. And you just wait for it to go all the way down. So, wait, yes, it's going all the way down. And then you go, well, it's done. So you hit stop. You need to wait for it to say, press any key to continue. You go into this one right here, and if it says, oh, does not know which one, your computer does not know what to start it up in, just start in Notepad, and then it'll bring up all of this. That is what your MOTD will say, like what it will say when you try and log in. I'll go from the top. If you allow never, if you want to allow never. The level name, you call it whatever you want. I just leave it as world. Enable query, you don't need that. Allow flight, that's obviously whether you want the people on your server to be able to fly or not. Server port, leave that as 25525. Level type, default, you can have it as flatland, I think, or default. Enable Archon, don't leave that. Level seed, that's obviously level seed that you want. Server IP, right here, if you're going to run it on Hamachi, which I have right here, well, I will show you how to do it. Go on Google Chrome, type in log me in Hamachi, and then you hit download log me in Hamachi, and you want to download the unmanaged version, and then hit continue use. I already have it, and it'll open up this thing right here, and you want to go network, create a new network, and call it whatever you want. I'm going to call mine that, and just have the password as something simple. And so if you hit create, and then right here at the very top it says 5.153.8. well, it'll be different for yours, but whatever it says up here till this to this little well, you can hit it and click copy IP4 address, and then you go to server IP and click Control V, and it'll just put that right there from what that is. And then yeah, so you exit that, and if you want any of your friends to join it, you just tell them to join an existing network. The network ID is whatever this is right here, and the password is whatever you set your password as. So I will be doing a tutorial how to port forward, because that's quite difficult. I'm going to have a YouTube tutorial. I'll probably do all my tutorials on this server, just to show you some plugins and stuff. PvP, that's whether you want player versus player or not, on live mode. So that's if you want, say if you have a cracked person, you only have a cracked version of Minecraft, you have to set that as false. But if you only want people that has actually bought the game, you have to set that as true. Spawn animals, whitelist. If you want only certain people to come on your server, set this to true. And yeah, set this to true. And then the other stuff is quite simple. You exit it, save, and then you know the whitelist thing set to true. Click on this whitelist thing right here. If I want myself to go on it, I do that. If I want some of my friends to go on it, I can put their names in it as well. I can do a lot of people. There's not really a limit of how many people you can whitelist, but it's kind of easier if you do want a community thing to not have your whitelist on. Permissions.yml is not things. Plugins, I'll show you that in a different tutorial. If you just start your server, it should load up again, and then it should just go a lot quicker this time. If you just close all this down, you open up your Minecraft, run, and then log in. Mojang, obviously. Click multiplayer, add server. Just call it what you want. My Minecraft server. And right where you took your thing from Hamachi, right up here, just copy your IP4 address again. Go back into Minecraft and put it right in here, and type in :25565 or whatever your port was. Or if you decide to change your port, which you shouldn't have done, just keep it as that. But put 25565, click done, and then it should say right at the bottom it's done. And it says 5.153 lost connection because you haven't tried to connect. If you click join server, I have nodes installed at the minute, then it shouldn't usually lag this much, but things right in the very spawn OP, and I'll show you how to change that. Essentials. I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make a Minecraft server. Yeah, I hope it was really useful, and thanks for watching.